Good afternoon. My name is Jeff. I'm a sewer tech Northwest. Today I'm at property address 208 North Knoxville Way here in Vancouver, Washington. We're located on the rooftop. There's a 4-inch cast iron vent. The very top of it, ABS. The majority is cast iron. This is my point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. Currently have water running, and I have zeroed out the camera now that we're at the bottom of the vent. Here we go. Okay, here at 28 feet, it transitions from 4-inch cast iron to, it looks like 4-inch concrete. Okay, right here at 55 feet, the camera keeps getting diverted into the offset joint. The joint looks like it's offset by a couple inches, which is very significant. It's, at that type of offset, there's very likely water seeping out into the ground, and I'm unable to get past this point because the camera keeps getting stuck in the gap there. I'm going to stop here. I will locate this, mark it with a green X for a spot repair. This is a pretty bad joint, and I'll see how close we are to the main lateral. Okay, I did successfully locate the camera head. It's just off. If you're standing at the street looking at the face of the house, the repair is just off to the right side of the driveway, about halfway up the driveway, and it's right in the middle of some flowers, or it's tall green grass with some flowers in it. I've marked it inside those flowers, but I've drawn an arrow on the driveway showing directly where it's at, pointing to where the X is. You have to kind of pull back the plants a little bit to see it. It's at 6 feet 9 inches deep. I do recommend a spot repair here to correct this joint, and unfortunately we're about 20 feet short of the street here, or I'm sorry, of the main lateral. We're only about 8-9 feet short of the street. So a rescope will be necessary, but it's always a good idea. You can probably have the repair guys, if they do a sleeve or something or dig down to it, they can camera out through that repair site and see the remaining portion of the line. I'm going to go ahead and start reeling back. Well, it looks like there's two joints there right back to back that are both offset by quite a lot. So just needed to repair those two pieces of pipe there. I'll put a second marking in the grass, but I will mention that in the report and everything, so that's clear. Okay, there's also a root intrusion here at 31 feet coming down through the top of the pipe. I pull back here a little bit, you can see those roots coming down. Okay, I marked this. It's at the front of the house, about 10 feet away from the foundation, and it's right underneath a very vibrant purple flowery bush. I marked it with a green X. It's right in the bark dust at 4 feet deep. Now we're coming to spot repair here. Depending on how the repair bids go, sometimes if you like sleeving the pipe is a good option, so you don't have to trench down, especially out further where it's about 7 feet deep and there's some landscaping to dig through. If you have multiple repair holes, sometimes it's the cost is the same just to sleeve the whole thing and update the line completely. So that's worth talking to the repair guys about. Because if it's a difference of just not too much in cost, in my opinion, it's worth updating so that the line is good to go for the future. They're really big. It almost looks like a rag or one huge wad of paper towels or something sitting there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and reel the camera all the way back out. I'm recommending the 2 spot repairs right now. The one for the roots, and then there's 1 spot repair for 2 sections of pipe that are right next to each other with offset joints. And then I also recommend asking the repair guys what the difference in cost would be just to sleeve the whole thing. Because often when you have 2 repairs to do, the cost to sleeve a whole section of pipe is very, very similar. And you end up with a better product. And for the repair guys, I didn't see much in the way of a clean out, and there is a ton of debris buildup in here. That combined with the large rag in the pipe, I do recommend jetting this line. That debris buildup was about 2.5 inches high, and my camera had to bore a pathway through it.